Hi everyone! Today we are doing school hacks. Like what to do when you forget your school supplies. Luckily, my friend is there to help me out. She breaks her pen in two and then sharpens it. She then cuts her book in half with scissors, making two books out of one. Neat, right? In this lesson, I have to switch between pen and pencil over and over. There has to be a better way. How about putting the two together? Cut a piece of tape. Carefully tape the pen and pencil together. Wow! Speed and comfort all in one. At this rate, I'll finish my lesson in no time. My friend is drawing a picture she found on her phone, but her phone won't stay upright. Not to worry, my friend knows what to do. Simply cut a hole the thickness of your phone into your pen cap. Instant phone stand. Now my friend can draw her horse. I just made a mistake and I need to erase it. Oh no! My eraser is finished. Now what am I gonna do? My friend tells me to use bread crust. What? Really? Will that work? Wow! The bread crust erased everything. Now that's cool. I am drawing a pumpkin. Ah! That's not right. Oh, and now I'm getting the marker all over my fingers. But wait, my friend has an idea. Glue a small pom-pom onto the tip of your marker. Now erase. This works like a charm. Yellow highlighters are great for taking notes. But what do you do when you highlight something by mistake? Use a lemon. Pour some lemon juice on your yellow highlighter and it magically disappears. Wow, that's cool. Sometimes you don't feel like studying. Fortunately, I have something that might help my friend. Candy! Place candy at various locations on the text you are studying. You get to eat the candy only when you've read up until that point. My friend sure seems more awake now and studying hard. My friend tells me we have to write this text 5 times. 5 long times. I think I have a better way. Place 5 pens side by side at an angle. Then tape them together like this. Now I only have to write the text once. Did you know you can use a pen to remove staples? Just close the pen and pull up each end of the staple with it. Voila! My friend wants to staple her papers together, but she is now out of staples. Luckily, she remembers another way. Cut a hole in the end of your papers. Now bend the corner and slide it through the hole. Wow, awesome hack! I am drawing circles, but I can't make them perfectly round. My friend is really good at drawing circles. How can I be as good as her? I know, I'll use a paperclip. Fold out the paperclip, place the paperclip on the paper, and draw a circle. My friend is impressed. Now it is her turn to show me another way of drawing circles. Attach 2 pens together with a rubber band. Place an eraser between the pens and add another rubber band. Perfect circles. Neat, right? I made a mistake. Better erase it. Oh no, my eraser is gone. I know, I'll use a rubber band instead. Put the rubber band onto your pen. Now erase. Easy as pie. I am sharpening my pen, but it creates this mess on my desk. My friend has the answer. Use a balloon. Cut off the end of the balloon and put your sharpener inside it. Now your desk will stay clean and neat, and your pencil sharp. My friend wants to put her giant drawing into a bag. I suggest we use an empty paper towel roll. Roll up your oversized paper and stick it inside the roll. A quick and easy hack.